Take it to the next level. Hey y'all, this is Anthony from Rocket Prince. Thanks for watching this video today. In this tutorial, we are going to work with this design and we're going to place it on just a standard kids t-shirt. I picked these t-shirts up from just a local shop. We're going to work with multiple colors the image is asking for. It's asking for white, red, blue, and black. And we're gonna see how this comes out. So I'm not gonna use black because the black is actually on this shirt. Just gonna go ahead and press it with just the other three colors, okay? So if you're new to heat pressing and you're just curious to see how this stuff works, stick around to the very end to get the best benefit of this tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it to help support my channel. So with that, let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so this is the image that we're going to be working with, and I don't remember exactly where I purchased it from, but it was a PNG file, and then I just converted it into an SVG. But when you do stuff like this, you want to make sure that you go into wireframe and you see if there's any little things that your plotter cutter is going to cut. So like right here, you can see these lines, so you're just going to have to get rid of them, so that way it doesn't cut like this, okay? But if you go back to your normal view, you can't really see it, but your cutter will cut those lines right there, and it'll make it look ugly. So what you want to do is go back to wireframe. And what I'm going to use is I'm going to use my virtual segment delete button, and I'm just going to delete these, okay? And get rid of them because we don't want the cutter cutting those. Okay. Alright, and then I was looking at this earlier, trying to figure out how I could fix this, because the cutter is going to cut this line and it's going to cut this line, and when I'm weeding the legs, I'm going to have to weed this part as well, or I'm just going to have to leave it. So we'll see. I'm just going to leave that alone and we'll see what happens. Up here, let's see what's going on up here. Actually here, I can just try to straighten it out. Let's see. Go to enhance view. There we go. We're just making it smoother. Yeah, sometimes when you download a PNG file and you try to convert it to a SVG file, you get these weird tracing, and the computer can only do so much. It'll do its best to try to capture everything that it can. So you're just going to have to come in here and make your adjustments. Okay, and this time we're going to flip it. So we'll come up here, mirror horizontal, and then I'm going to set up my cutter, expert 2, and the layout, bottom left corner. Okay, do the page setup here. Custom, boom, okay. So now my image, if you can see up here, it's an 8x9. We want it smaller because it's going to be on a kid's shirt. We'll do maybe a 5x5, let's see. 4x5 sounds good. We'll go ahead and get that going. And first, we're going to do the red wheels first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup everything. And I'm just going to delete all the other stuff for now. So that way, we're just going to capture what we need to capture, okay? Okay. Okay, so looks like we couldn't, this part was not contoured where I could cut this part out. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to have to make this the white part, which was originally black, and this is going to be the black part. Okay, so as far as everything else, everything else looks good. And one last thing, I think I'm just gonna have to adjust his feet here. So let's see how we can do the feet. I don't think the feet are gonna be able to come out. It's not how I wanted it, but what I'll end up doing is just cutting that out. Scissors are too big. Okay, it'll still have like a little indentation. There we go. Okay, let's take it to the heat press. All right, for this project, I have this set up for temperature 280 degrees for 7 seconds, and what we're going to do is we're just going to press it to take all the moisture out of the shirt just for a couple seconds. And this is a smaller shirt, so you want to try to line it up as best as you can. So I'm just going to bring it right there. All right, and let's go ahead and take our first image here, and we're just going to set it right there. So bring it out as much as I can. Okay. That kind, if you're not sure, just pick up the shirt and see where it looks. And it kind of looks a little crooked. I'm going to go ahead and make some adjustments here. Okay. And let's go and press that right there. All right, this is a hot peel, so you just want to peel it off right away. Okay, now that's done, let's go and put our skateboard. Line up our skateboard right there, and let's do our wheels. Well, let's do the skateboard first. Out. All right, get the skateboard done. Okay, now we're gonna do our first wheel. Right there. We're going to do our second wheel. Right there. Okay. And I'll throw some light on here. And we'll do the hat now. And I forgot to peel this little piece off right here. Okay, we'll do the hat. Okay, let's press those real quick and then I'll press the bill on that real fast. Alright, go and peel these off. Alright, and last thing is the little flat bill right there. Okay, we'll press that. Okay. And there you have it, guys. My dog and bird shirt. And there you have it. Hope y'all liked this video, and if you did, please remember to hit the like button and leave a comment. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for my next video next week, and we'll see you guys back soon. Peace.